Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to manage multiple browser tabs in Google Chrome. So a browser tab, it allows you to have multiple web pages at the same time so that now you don't have to open your browser every time you need to search for something different. So this is how we are going to implement this video. We are going to use the control plus the tab to move between our tabs, and these are the things how we can cross and add a new tab. So now let's get started. So now I am in my Google Drive. So if I want to add a new tab, all I have to do is simply click on this plus icon, that is the new tab icon. Now over here I can click on Google. I have bookmarked this, so I can use Google. Now I can add another new tab, and if I type the youtube.com and hit enter, now I can have my YouTube. So now if I want to go back to the Google, what I can do is I can click on Google to go back to Google. Let's search here for a computer. Just search for computer. So now let's say I want to see a video on computer, so I have to go back here. So I can use the keyboard shortcut, that is the control plus tab. So now I can change between this tab. Now if I want to go back to my Google Drive again, I can use this control tab. I can go to Google again, I can go to YouTube again, and I can also manually click on them to switch between them. Now if I want to close this tab, all I have to do is click on this cross, and now I can close this tab. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to manage multiple browser tabs in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.